Hi everyone, Sam from the Bodycentre here. This video is a little different than usual. We're going behind the scenes. Meet our team.
Jake Masters. I prep vehicles ready for paint. I've been here since the 26th of October 2017, so not that long. I haven't obviously been here that long, but I did get a chance to work on a BMW i8, which was great fun. FIFA, track days and socialising with my friends. I haven't been here that long, like I said, but I did get a chance to work on the BMW i8 and a Range Rover Velar, which I quite liked. Drew Dobson, because he's generally just an annoying person. Danny, because he's a really, really nice guy and he helps me loads. I'd be an accountant, yeah. I like delivering all the nice cars and going on adventures with Drew.